people, it's weekend, it's Friday, it's what is it? 1, 2 o'clock? Almost 2 o'clock. We have a special guest this weekend. He is right there.
Hi there.
Hi Dad.
Hi there.
And yeah, we just have some fun plans ahead, so of course you're invited. I'm gonna tell you about the plans as we move on, but let's cue the intro. Hello! The crew have now expanded with our youngest member. We have picked up Johannes from daycare. It's around 2:30 now and we are on our way back to the apartment. We're gonna pick up Papa and then all of us are gonna go for a coffee somewhere. We don't really know yet where. There are a bunch of, or a bunch is maybe too much, but there are a few cafes out here.
Maybe we can sit outside?
Yeah, maybe we can because it's actually really warm. I think you could see the sun on my face. So in Scandinavia we have like 1 day of summer, but then the rest is a little bit of sunshine here and there. So yeah, I mean that day. But yeah, now we're on our way back, and when we've been and had a coffee, we're gonna go home, make some delicious food, and find some really good TV show for tonight. Maybe also play some games, but let's see.
Es difícil decir que te amo, pero no sé si estoy mezclando una vez más lo que me das y lo que quiero. De pronto esa no sea mi realidad. No sé si es amor, es que quiero estar solo. La soledad me hace preso, la condena son tus besos. No sé si es amor, es que no quiero estar solo. A veces la paso lonely, no es tu culpa, I'm sorry. Estamos envueltos en un juego de dos. Quiero estar a lo tuyo, pero a veces no.
Borde jag hjälpa? Kom. Jag tror du är läftare. Så. Titta mamma, pappa, jag kan. Titta mamma, jag kan. Ja. Heja. Så skjuter vi då. 1, 2 och. Oi! Tack!
Hi people! I'm so sorry, but you missed out on dinner. It was a really good one. We had sweet potato and a steak and some coleslaw. And now we're just hanging out on the couch. Tomorrow we actually leave kind of early. We're gonna go and pick up a car, and then we're gonna go see my grandmother. And once we're done that, we're actually gonna go up to the summer house and have lunch. Wow. Right now there's like renovation going on, so maybe I'll get some footage of that, we'll see. But yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow, and the evening we don't know yet. Yes. But now we're just gonna hang out a bit and also have some candy and chips later on. It's about 6, I think. I think it's around 6, let me see. It's actually almost 6:30. Yeah, so Johannes is soon going to bed, but
They're playing hockey here.
yeah, they're playing hockey. I think you saw it. My dad, he used to play hockey when he was young, and he's actually bought Johannes a miniature hockey stick, and it's so cute. So they're playing. Yeah. But yes, if we play some games later, and yeah, no matter what we decide to do, I promise to loop you in if there's something exciting. So yeah, yay! Good morning. Wow. Klipp ut det. Okay, it's about 8:30 and we're gonna have a pancake breakfast. Eric and I was able to sleep in until 8, so that was amazing. Thank you, Dad.
No worries.
No worries. And Johannes is currently having the breakfast he did not want, but some yogurt. And you're painting a bit on the table here, but it was like all over this. But yeah, you're doing good, Baba. You're eating well. Okay, after pancakes, we're just gonna get ready and then we're gonna go and pick up the car. And once we're by the car, we are gonna go to my grandmother.
Solo interesadas a quien desvestir. No sé si es amor, es que quiero estar solo. La soledad me hace preso, me hace
We are at the summer house and the weather is amazing. I can't wait for the summer, to be honest. It's gonna be so nice. Johannes? Where are we? We at the summer house? Yeah.
Ska vi gå in här då? Check this out. Wow. Johannes, stopp.
The car?
Ahora yo entiendo toda la gravedad. Tú tan hermosa y no te ofrezco nada. Solo recibo y no te puedo dar. Lo que tú quieras, baby, la verás. Aunque bebé yo te llene de Dior, no se arregla esta relación. Lo que yo puedo es pedir perdón, porque no siento lo que sientes vos. Perdona la actitud que yo tengo hacia ti. Yo me pongo inseguro cuando tú quieres estar cerquita de mí. Creo que la juventud me ha jodido a mí. No había nada interesante, solo interesadas a quien desvestir.
Good morning, people. It is almost 8 o'clock. Johannes slept until like 8:30. No, sorry, 6:30. I wish. He slept until 6:30 this morning, and which was actually really good. We went to bed around 11 last night, and the last 2 nights he's been having a little bit of trouble with his teeth. So yeah, everybody just had a really good night, and he slept in, I guess you can say. So that's nice. Eric is still sleeping. We had the best night yesterday. We saw a movie called like The Riders of Justice, a Danish movie. It was pretty weird, but it was really good. And then we just had a bunch of candy. We had some more avocado toast and some red wine to go with that. And then this morning I came up and we've had some breakfast, my dad and I and Johannes, and now they are playing in my dad's room. So take a look at this. Anyways, they're like best friends, so Johannes really loves his grandma and grandpa, all of them, and that's very, very nice to see. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because nothing much fun is gonna happen else today. My dad leaves in about an hour or 2, and after that we are just gonna chill and maybe clean a little and sleep, and yeah, you know, the usual weekend activities. So if you are new here and you made it this far, I love you. Please subscribe, click that like button and stay and hang out. That would make me so happy. I just love the fact that we're becoming more and more people, and I don't really know, you know, what to say, but thank you. And yeah, if you want to leave a comment, please do. I read every single comment and respond to every single one, so leave me a comment and I'll get back to you, and otherwise I'll just see you next Monday. Bye.